The Solanum Tuberosum, it's an award for excellent performance. It's the highest award conferred in the potato industry. This award is conferred for the individuals or organization who or which, by means of their excellent performance, make an exceptional contribution to the success of the potato industry in striving to play a leadership role in sustainable potato production in South Africa. Those who receive this reward are honored by the potato industry for their sustained performance and devotion in the interest of all role players. It needs to be stated that this is definitely the highest award that anybody can achieve, and we need to acknowledge everybody that has been called out under this award. So please bear with me. First name that I've got on the list is Van Miller. Van Miller has passed away. I'm not sure, Andre, good see you. Can't say anything. Will you be able to come receive the reward on his behalf? Is Andre around? Okay, second, sorry? Okay. Okay, goed, kom ons, let's Andre, when you're ready, you can come around. Let's call the next person on the list. Okay, Andre, thank you. I see you have managed to arrive. Okay. The next person on my list, Dr. Finny Niederwiese. In my mind, the next person is definitely too young to actually receive it already, but Jan van Zyl. Okay, we see Jan is returning from the bar. He'll be with us just now.
Let me hold you tight. Starlight, star bright, star bright. Don't you love it tonight? Oh, darling. Don't you love it tonight? Oh, darling. Don't you love it tonight? Oh, darling.
Okay, and the next person on the list, I would also want to be in the picture. Where is he? I think he's standing next to you, Ben. Jay van der Merwe.
Oh, darling, let me hold you tight. Starlight, starbright, starbright. Would you love me tonight? Oh, darling, love me tonight. Your smiling faces on earth like stars. I can't tell you how much precious you are. So sweet, I'm here to stay. I love you more to stay. Just between us there is a big